What's up, party people? You're listening to the Journal Party Podcast, where every week we get together for a little guided journaling jam sesh. My name is Alex Gallner, and I'll be your host, so here's how it works. I'll give you a journal prompt and a groove, and you just start writing. After a few minutes, you'll hear a little bell that sounds like this, and we'll move on to the next prompt. After a couple minutes, you'll hear that bell again, and we'll move on to the next prompt, and we'll just keep going on like that until we're finished. Feel free to write on whatever you like, and if you finish before the bell, you can try to dig deeper and elaborate, or just chill out and enjoy the tunes. Don't overthink it. There's no wrong way to do this, so welcome to the party. Journal Party. I'm back. What's up, party people? You ever come back from something amazing, like your honeymoon, feeling all blissed out and ready for the next chapter, only to get slapped in the face with something totally unfun? Yeah, that's what I got going on over here. We came home, ready to sell our house, dreaming about fresh starts, and our neighbor lets us know that we've got a 100-year-old retaining wall that's basically falling apart, about ready to topple over and injure somebody, and just totally screw up any prospect of us attracting a buyer for our lovely home. So not only is it dangerous, but yeah, it could make selling the home nearly impossible as well. Not to mention, it's going to cost a lot. Like a lot. I don't know how things are even capable of costing this much. But I digress. There's a point to all this. At first, I went into full-blown, this is the worst timing ever, panic freak out mode. I mean, come on. But after we moved through all of the shock and the stress, we started to ask, is there any lemonade in this situation? You know what I'm talking about? Like when life makes lemonade out of lemons? It turns out fixing the wall will actually give us a chance to add a driveway, which our house was missing. And that could actually help us with the sale. So it's a little different than expected, the whole situation, but could be pretty good. That's why today's theme is all about flipping the script, taking a sour, sticky, stressful situation and turning it into something meaningful. Helpful even. Maybe even a little sweet. Today, we're going to be jamming through 5 journal prompts to help you make lemonade out of the tough stuff. So go ahead, open up that journal, and let's get this party started. Here comes prompt number 1. What's one situation in your life right now that you're judging as totally negative? Prompt number 2. How does this situation actually make you feel in your body? Tightness, tension, emotions? Describe it all without any judgment. Prompt number 3. What hidden opportunity might be hiding underneath this challenge, even if it feels like a stretch to imagine? Prompt number 4. What is this situation inviting you to learn, practice, or become better at? Prompt number 5. If your future self wrote you a note about how this situation turned out to be a turning point, what would it say? Woo! All right. That was a juicy one. Sometimes life really does hand us lemons. Big, unexpected lemons. And it's okay to feel all the feelings at first. But when you're ready, it can be powerful to look for the sweetness in the situation. Maybe that sour moment is secretly setting you up for something better. If you had any big insights today, take a moment to honor them. Let them settle in. And if you want to keep this journaling momentum going, please check out our app. It's available in the Apple App Store and Google Play or on the web at our website, journalparty.com, and it's packed with all sorts of guided journaling flows, mood and energy tracking, and a supportive community that totally gets it. You can come hang out with me on Instagram at journalpartyomg and slide into those DMs. I would love to hear what's coming up for you during these episodes. And also, don't forget, for a limited time, you can get a free Journal Party hardcover A5 notebook. All you got to do is cover the shipping. You can grab yours at journalparty.com/free. That's journalparty.com/free. And hey, join us every Wednesday night at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for Journal Party Live. That's our free live stream we do every week where we journal through our newest programs together, and then we share our takeaways in real time. The community is growing strong, the energy is amazing, and it's the midweek reset you didn't know you needed. So you can tune into that on our YouTube channel, our private Facebook group, or even right through our app. All the details for all of that are in the show notes. And thank you so much for journaling with me today. Remember that when things don't go according to plan, you might still be getting exactly what you need. So chew on that or squeeze it into a glass of water. Make some lemonade, people. And as always, party on.